If you would like to know how to make YouTube Shorts to massively grow your channel in the quickest time, then in this YouTube Shorts tutorial, I'll show you how to create them, and I'll also give you some awesome bonus tips as well. Hey everyone, it's Graham here and welcome back. With YouTube Shorts now available on YouTube, there are so many people out there learning how to make YouTube Shorts, as well as looking to take advantage of this new feature to dramatically grow their channels. If you're unfamiliar with YouTube Shorts, these are the vertical style 60 seconds or less videos that you'll see on YouTube. So as you can see on my phone here, I've searched hashtag shorts and you'll see it says Shorts Beta. That's essentially the YouTube Shorts shelf. And on here is a selection of all the YouTube Shorts that are available at this point in time. And you can see, I mean, just look at the views: 3.7 million, 15 million, 28 million, 161 million. I mean, it's crazy. This new feature is getting so many views, it's ridiculous. And with those views come the subscribers. In one of my next videos, I'm going to touch on a channel that's had over 5 billion views. Yes, 5 billion views just doing YouTube Shorts. And they've only been around a very short time. So this is where you can select a particular YouTube Short and enjoy. The thought behind these videos is pure competition. They are there to compete with the likes of TikTok, who during recent times has basically owned this space and has grown dramatically because of these types of videos. Well, YouTube now want a piece of that pie. So how do you make a YouTube Short and load it up onto YouTube? Well, let's get into that now. So what do you need to get your first YouTube Short out into the world? Firstly, you would need the YouTube Shorts beta app, which as it stands has only been rolled out to India and a handful of USA creators. As you can see on screen, this is the feature that the YouTube beta app provides. You're able to record the video, you're able to add sound, you're able to add any sort of text and different graphics, and then you can publish it onto your channel. So if you don't have access to this beta app right now, or more specifically this camera short option, it's easy enough to make it without the app, so no need to worry there because everybody can create a YouTube Short. We will get into more of that shortly. As it stands at time of this recording, you don't need any views or subscribers, so the newest of channels can create YouTube Shorts. The first key requirement for YouTube Short is that every YouTube Short needs to be 60 seconds or less in length. If I were you, I would shoot for that 58-second length, as YouTube sometimes add a couple of seconds onto the end of your video, which may throw it over that 60-second threshold. Once you know that you've only got 60 seconds, you'll then need to decide what message you'll bring across in a punchy 60-second or less video. This can be educational, inspirational, or just for entertainment purposes. So whatever the type of video, try to think about how you'll get your message across in less than 60 seconds. And no, not like this.
I am a fat little squirrel sitting on your porch. Thank you very much for giving me these delicious walnuts. I like them very much. You are a nice person. I will be sure to come back tomorrow to get some more walnuts. You are my favorite person in the neighborhood. I like you.
Then leading into the next key requirement, once you have figured out what your awesome 60 seconds video will be about, you then need to make sure that you record your video in vertical format. So you can either use your phone and record yourself in vertical format as it is now, or you can use any other camera, action camera or other device to record your video. But just remember to turn the camera in a 90-degree angle so that it records in the correct dimensions. The dimensions of the video will be in a 9:16 aspect ratio, and if you're recording in HD, the dimensions will either be 720 by 1280 or 1080 by 1920. This basically flips your traditional HD video into a 90-degree angle so that it's now a vertical video. If you're using your phone to record your videos, you can simply use the app on your phone such as iMovie to edit your particular video, trim it as you like, do any additions to it, and then you can use that to upload it to your channel. And in order to upload to your channel, you would go to your app, you would select the plus icon over here, hit that and say upload video. Once you do that, you select the video of your choice and load it up onto your channel. If you have recorded your video with your phone or any other camera and you'd like to do the editing on your PC before uploading it to your channel, that's perfectly fine as well. Simply transfer that file across to your PC, load it up into your editing software and edit as you wish. Just remember this though, your canvas in your editing software needs to be the same dimensions as mentioned earlier. Obviously the same applies if it's 4K and so forth. So for example, if you're editing your videos using Camtasia, you would then go into Camtasia, you would choose this particular down arrow here, you would go to your project settings. On there, you would either choose an option on the down arrow here, choose a particular item here that matches the dimensions you want, or you can plug in a custom width and height over here and select apply. No matter what your choice of software is, this applies to all. Another thing to remember when editing your video, if you want to add text to your video, try not to add text in the bottom 1/4 of your video, as things like your name and subscribe button will overlay that portion of the video and block out your text. Once you have then edited and exported your video, you'll then go to your channel and upload it the same way you upload any other video. When uploading your YouTube short, remember to do the following. You can place hashtag shorts in the title or the description of your video. This will help your video be identified as a YouTube short. However, having hashtag short in your title or your description is not mandatory. The determining factor of this is the length of your video being less than 60 seconds. The second thing to remember is try keep the title of your video less than 40 characters. And if you have hashtag shorts in your title, that will be included within the 40 characters. The reason for that is when people scroll in their phone or any other device, they'll only see 40 characters. So make sure you use that real estate wisely. Anything else will overlap and it doesn't matter. Now for the bonus tips that I promised you. Bonus number 1, the ultimate focus of a YouTube short is to get your channel the subscriber. Nothing more. Not the like, not the comment. Your viewer can still like, dislike or comment, however that's not your key focus for a YouTube short. The focus of your call to action within a 60-second period is to get the person to click on the subscribe button, nothing more. Everything else is just way too much. Bonus number 2, you may be asking yourself, do YouTube Shorts views count towards your watch time and your monetization? Well, the answer is, it depends how your video is found. If your video is found in the YouTube Shorts carousel or the YouTube Shorts shelf, so to speak, then any views from that will not count towards your watch time or your monetization. But if someone is watching one of your videos via your channel page, and then it ends the video and rolls onto your YouTube short, that will then count towards your watch time and your monetization. And you can go and test the theory yourself. Go and select a video of a channel you know is monetized from the YouTube short shelf. Selecting that video, you won't see any ads playing on it whatsoever. But go and watch another one of their videos or go onto their channel page and select their shorts. You'll then see the adverts playing on the video. But if that's chosen from the YouTube short shelf or the carousel provided, it won't be counted. There you have it, ladies and gents. A couple of cool bonus tips just to give you an additional bit of information surrounding YouTube Shorts. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe and smash that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any content I release in the future. Thank you for watching, everybody. Have a great day and we'll catch you in the next one. Cheers for now.